Jeff Hlikker from Out Your Back Door. Today's episode is brought to you by the Naughty Lady of Bob's Offshore Adventures. What's the name of his place?
Bob's Trophy Charters.
Bob's Trophy Charters. Just one after the other. That's only one side, guys.
That's the one to go in.
One to go, and then that thing's full back there too. Troy, what do you have to say for yourself?
Happy fish. I got you, bud.
Kip was the man. And Joel.
Jeff caught a lot of fish, but they were all little ones. We had to help them out in the end.
Yep.
We all got our limit. We caught well.
I was the last one to catch because I caught all little ones. I caught five shark and 6 halibut. And my last 2 halibut were awesome. I set the last one for Kip, and then he pulled that one in, so that's 7 halibut. I couldn't even keep track anymore. All these guys were helping me out so much. I was setting hooks, and then they were reeling them in, and we're getting sharks after sharks. Finally,
then I caught that with like 25. Yeah, I'll keep this.
This is John and Rich, our deckhands. Very, very good.
I gotta get the first big one. I guess, I don't know.
Second one I wanted to be big.
That's one of my little guys over there.
What's that?
Oh, that's my little one over there. I got one though. 2 of them. I actually set Kip's last one too. I didn't get to see it though. Oh, that's awesome. I set about 3 of his and they were all sharp.
Take a picture of me back there. Just all of them.
Alright. Over. Peter Black.